Hello dear friends, I just wanted to pop on here quickly and show you that I have nearly finished the top of this quilt. The idea is that it's going to be patchwork over the top surface of this double bed, and then I'm going to have some plain fabric and some of the patchwork pieces down the sides of the fabric. Down the sides of the bed. So you will see that up at the top corner there's a little bit of work to be done in that corner, and along this edge, along the side here, you will see that there's a few pieces to be added on which will give it that extra width. So I will come back to you in a few days just to show you the progress, but I'm very pleased with how things are at the moment.